Hey, how's it going? That was awkward. I've got a problem. Today I was washing my hands. I noticed my drain is kind of slow. And it was worse when I had the soap going too. But you can see it's kind of slow. So today we're going to fix that. In my hair. Because it's a mess. That's normal. That is not. Alright. So as you can see, the drain doesn't just pop out. Some sinks you can just pop them out. But this one does not. So gotta open down here. Ooh, I need to do some laundry, get some towels. So as you can see, it's open. That was stuck. Must have been a little bumper there. Came off. Alright, so as you can see, when I pull this lever, or pulley thing, puts that up and down, we can see that it's connected right there. What that means is, let's put it out there. What we gotta do is undo this, which I probably need a wrench for. Let's see if I can do it with my hands. What if I get in there? Yeah. Whoops. Alright, lefty loosey, righty tighty. That is, my camera work is about as good as my whatever this bolting nut, the nut, some sort. Alright. Let's get a wrench. Ooh, that is on there. Hey, it's my garage. You guys have seen this before, quite a few times. I guess 2 times I've done garage streams. Alright, so we need... I could just use the vice grips and be lazy. That might actually be easier. If they get big enough, that is. So you gotta turn... I can't stand this up. So you just turn this, then it opens it up more. I'm not sure if I can open it enough. It's about as far as it goes. That should be fine, yeah, that'll be good. Cool. Just use these. Bad boys. I much prefer these to a wrench. A lot easier. We are back. Let's get back here. Try and give a good angle on this. Oh, ow, I just smashed my fingers. Okay. Oh, we loosened it a little bit. Okay. Pick this back up now. Okay, whew. We got it. Should be able to use my hand now. really on there. Ooh, look at that. Ain't that nice? Oh, that's not what I meant to do. Trying to focus on it, but nice and grimy. Okay. Whew. That was an ordeal. So now this should come up. There you go. Oh, you can't even see that, but I can. And that is all grimy and nasty. Whew. Okay, so now what we need to do is go back to the garage. All right. I'll go back in for round 2. So I need to hold my phone better. There we go. One for round 2. Ooh, there's a really big glob down there. Oh, can you hear that? Why does my video keep stopping? That's really annoying. Ooh, you ready? It's emerging. There you go. Oh, what is all that? Guess it's like all soap scum and stuff. So here's my finger for reference. That thing is massive. That big old glob of nastiness stuck down there. Focus. Yeah, there you go. Ew, grody. See some air pockets right there. That's really gross. Ooh, hey, that looks real good down there. Ooh, there's another big chunk. It's kind of rubbery. It's really weird. Just a little more. There's a bunch of little gunk now. That shouldn't be too big of an issue. Oh yeah, I can see way down in there now. Cool, I think we are good. So we can put that back in there. Drop that bad boy in. Actually gotta make sure the hole. How's this one? Okay, so the delta faces forward on that one. So we'll spin it around, put it down like that. It should be good, hopefully. Move our trash can with our nastiness in there. Back over there. All right, now I gotta get the rod back in. So now, whew, that good, up and down. I think if we push this back, we should get a larger range of motion. Yeah, there we go. It's a lot better. Cool. Beautiful. Drains good as new. Just gotta clean off our pliers real quick. Good enough for me. There we go. I gotta put this. Well, y'all, gotta look over there, not myself. If your sink is ever slow, now you kind of know how to fix it. So hopefully I've helped you. You have to go out and like buy Drano or something. You can just You know, do the thing. That thing. Take it out, clean it up. Alright? Thanks for watching, everybody. Get you on. Hand's so dry, I can't. Get you on the flippity flip.